Loops in programming. This flow control statement allows method to be executed over and over again as long as specific conditions are met. In Java programming language, there are three loops: while, do while, and for. So these are three loops. First is while loop. While loop, it is considered as simplest kind of event driven loop. This statement will execute the methods inside the while block as long as specific conditions are met. This is example of while loop. In this example we are decreasing number from 10 to 0. So first line is import java.util.scanner. So here basically we are importing scanner class because it is not part of basic Java. Now here we are setting class example, hence we are writing public class as example. Now here our main function is we are writing, that is public static void main string args. Now integer my variable name. So here we have variable that is my variable name and it is set to 10 previously. So initially it is set to 10. Then we are printing Java is essential to web. Now our while loop starts. In while loop my variable name is greater than 0. That means it should not be 0. It can be 1, but it should not be 0. So starting from 10 we will be decreasing. Now system out println my variable name, then my variable name minus minus. So this is post decrement operator. That means decrease after that number. So here our output will be 10 9 8 7 up to 1. So this is program for while loop. Do while loop. The main difference between this and while loop is that the methods inside do while loop is sure to run at least once before the condition is checked. So this is program for do while loop. Again here we are importing scanner, then setting name of class as example, then we are writing main function. Now integer my variable name is equal to 10. So my variable name is an integer and we are setting it as 10 as previous example. Now we are printing system out println Java is essential to web. Now our do loop starts. So in our do loop system out println my variable name. So that means first print 10, then my variable name is decremented, and then while starts. Do while, that means do until my variable name is greater than 0. So it is like a while loop, but do is written first and while is written afterwards. So that is why it is do while loop. For loop, this statement is declared with specific parameters that control as to when or how many times the methods are to be executed. Variables that can be used to control the loop may be declared simultaneously within the loop itself. This is an example of for loop. So in main function here we are first typing Java is essential to web. Then in for loop we are writing first integer my variable name is equal to 10. So which is initialization. Then until my variable name is greater than 0. And here we are decreasing my variable name with minus minus, that means post decrement operator. And in inside for loop we are printing my variable name. So that means here we are writing condition for initialization, then we are writing condition and then iteration.